That's the boss, man. That's his excited face, because he loves burnouts. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of NDCE221. This is a 2013 Chevrolet 3500 HD. Heavy duty does not stand for the other thing you guys are thinking. If you get it, you get it. Beautiful truck, rear end collision, and a little bit of it was in Florida. This thing was in a very low flight. We'll just chat out of the back. Nothing to hide here. Obviously nothing wrong with it though. We checked all the fluids, no water anywhere. For safety's sake, we did change all the filters. A good running truck though. Nice looking trans fluid. Man, I hate the smell of diesel. Ugh. I'm not American, I guess. Clean oil. Not even black yet. Do you even diesel, bro? 6.6 Duramax though, running great. This will get whatever the heck you put her in, a swap or just a replacement motor, going down the road. If I had a little bit of more cash in my bank account, I might pop this motor into my Suburban, but I can't. I'm poor. Woo! Step on up into this girl. Air conditioning is going. 142,129 miles. Even got a full tank of fuel. Oh wow, we got heated and ventilated seats in this thing. Jiminy Christmas, she is loaded. Let's start testing some parts. There's nothing wrong with this truck, guys. Oh. Get all these windows tested. Yep. Everything's good there. Looks like we got a power sliding rear. That even works. We may have found the only thing that doesn't work. It apparently has a bad amplifier in it. Okay, that happens. Climate control's working well. Even has nice unworn buttons. What a rarity. Power pedals. All right, let's test out the transmission. We got reverse. No backup camera though. Oh, it's probably smashed out. And the radio is just rebooting like mad. Does this thing have traction control? Maybe it does. Whoops. That's the boss, man. That's his excited face, because he loves burnouts. Well,
the Mercedes bumper needs claimed again.
Yeah, you just sooted all over it.
Are these the same two idiots that on video told me to do that?
I didn't tell you to do that on video.
Well, she runs great. 4-wheel drive works. It sharded.
Did something.
I had no idea it was going to do that.
Yeah, let's go ahead and put that hood away. I got it.
He's so excited, guys.
You know how to work them up, right?
Well, looks like I'm watching a bumper again. That is going to wrap up the accidental test video of NDCE221. Had no idea it was going to do that. I thought this thing had ran long enough that all the water would have been out of it. As you guys saw though, that 6.6 Duramax, quite stout. Started right up with no issues, running great. Dave, what's up? Oh, it's Dave. I even see some aftermarket upper control arms on this thing, so we may have been in for a treat. With that said, if you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website, www.jnjoh.com, or give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Diesel owners, quick question, how do you smell like this all day long? Let me know in the comments down below if it's just like a thing you deal with or what, but this is terrible. Anyways, with that being said, thanks for watching.